Hi everyone, doing a review here of the OtterBox Alpha Flex screen protector. This is for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. And I had purchased this, but I've got to say this is probably a very, not probably, this in general, a very bad product. As you can see right here, a lot of bubbles on it. I did utilize the items that came with it, but unfortunately, there's a lot of bubbles. The creases right here on the top hand corner is not entirely flat. In general, it's just not a good product when purchasing it. So I have used the applicator right here and kind of gently putting the bubbles outside, but as you can see, the bubbles are still on there. And it seems like the screen protector itself, it's this is the one that originally came with the Samsung. In my opinion, I don't think the screen protector is good. It just seems like it's not as clear. So it's very unfortunate for this product. I was really wanting it to be much better, but unfortunately it is not. So I don't recommend it. I have purchased other products, so I do recommend those by LifeProof and other ones, but this one by OtterBox is this not the case here. So luckily there's I guess a lifetime warranty. We'll see what that means by contacting them, and I will update everyone in terms of what happens. But overall, don't recommend the product. If you guys have any questions or have had the same issue with OtterBox, it might be better for iPhone, I don't know. But if you've had the same issue for OtterBox in terms of the screen protector, feel free to comment down below. Happy to hear from you all. If you have a better suggestion for a screen protector, let me know as well in the comment section down below. Subscribe for more videos. Press the like button. It's going to help out the YouTube algorithm for this channel. It doesn't cost you a thing. It's free, and it's going to help me produce more videos for you all. So again, I will update you all on what OtterBox says in terms of this, but check you guys out in the next video. Thanks.